Tokozani, I am Puabadimu and I welcome you to my channel. Thank you for choosing to view my video. Today I'll be talking about ukutwasa, or rather the process of ukutwasa. But on this video, I'll be just, touching on things that people need to expect and people need to look out for, and things that sometimes tend to be stumbling blocks or barriers on people's journeys. So I hope this video is going to help someone have a bit of insight as into what to expect, or rather what to understand when going through the process of ukutwasa. I'm going to be addressing a part of Ungoma because I'm a Sangoma myself and I've been through initiation process, the good, the bad, and the ugly. So now the problem is that because Ubungoma has been so publicized and everything is out there, people feel that Ubusangoma is just the appearance, the beads, and namabai, not understanding before the finished product, there had to be a process that one had to undergo. So it's very important to be preparing yourself for all of these things, because ukuvuma ubizo, like I said on my previous video, it's you saying yes to your calling. But now umuhamba usuyophetha izinto zabo gogo, you need to understand that one, you're going to be under an institution, or rather a varsity that is going to be catering for your ukugula kwakho, because usuke uhluphekile ngokomoya, or something that is going to assist you. So now the problem is that people are lazy, they do not understand the practicality of spirituality and end up being burdens emaphehlweni, or in terms of izinto zobungoma. You go ephehlweni, and most of times that I've seen, and encountered, is people that are initiates and that want to consult, and want to understand, or are they at the right place? Are they doing the right thing? Listen. When you go ohamba uyothwasa, your ancestors know ukuthi usuke ubiziwe, right? Two, when you get ephehlweni, you need to do all the theory before your ancestors give you the practicals. You can't get ephehlweni today and automatically everything easy for you. Now the uneasy part is where abantu fall along the lines and they do not want to adhere or listen to imithetho osuke seyempandeni, because remember, most of your you're being taught discipline, you're being taught izinto ezizokwakha ezizokukhulisa ngesimo sakho sodlozi. So now if uyagula and you know that this is the problem I have, and I need this, you will adhere to each and everything. But now people are lazy, they want to have soft life ephehlweni, and that does not happen. That happens all the time. I've been there myself. And it's not because Lame had forsaken me. It will constantly put you in this smallanyana test to test your resilience, to test Uguti, are you in this for the right reasons, Are you preparing your mind, your spirit for what is about to come ahead? Because I do not want to lie. Gunzima edlozini. It does not even get easy uma usuqedile ukuthwasa. If you think ukuthwasa is the creme de la creme, then you are not understanding the whole aspect of it. You're not going to be trained. I always say you can't teach someone to be a sangoma. You're born into ugutu ube sangoma, and then what happens in ephehlweni is they just illuminate, or rather magnify the gift and teach you how to go about. So because ubungoma, they will not address it like how I'll unpack it for you. It's all about the aligning the energies, because ufundiswa izinto suku omeluzazi. Ufundiswa ukuthi how do you summon your ancestors. For example, when you summon your ancestors, ukaza idlozi, and this is what you do, right? So when you're doing this, it's because you are aligning your energies, so that also ukaza idlozi. So now most people don't understand why we do this, but that's why you do this, because everything is energy. Spirituality is energy. Ushisi kandlela, ulight impepo. You do all these things. All of these things, it's energies that you go through. Ezinye izinto that you being a part of the modules osukuzithola ephehlweni, but you need to understand ukuthi ufundisa umthetho, because you cannot speak to elders ungaguqi, you cannot speak to elders ume ngenyawo kunemithetho ekuthoseni. But people want to ukuzithwasisa bona or ayimuntu ayephehlweni and go give abogobela a struggle, you know. I always say hlalekini if you're not ready to be an initiate, ube ngaphansi komuntu akhulise ngokomoya or ngekudlozi, because you become, you know, a burden, you know. I always say know what you want. Umuntu ohluphekile owazile ukuthi edlozini kunzima, they will take the heat. Umuntu ahamba yothosa enaqeda izinto zakhe zedlozi abuye. We all have been there. Ningibona namhlanje nginje ngidlowa nginje. I have been through the worst of the worst. There's nothing in the Bible of dlozi that you can tell me that I haven't experienced. It's because I know I've been there. So I'm the way I am because of la ngaphekwa khona nendlela engaphekwa ngayo, and it's not easy. Yes, you might hear ukuthi ukuthwasa kunzima. You need to prepare yourself. Ukuthi in a day you don't even sleep. Sometimes you even sleep 3 hours. Sometimes you don't even sleep. You need to prepare yourself mentally. Your diet changes. You need to cut off impilo yakho obuyiphila. That's why I always say when you're going ekuthwaseni, leave your phone, leave all these other things as a connector from the physical life, because mawuye lapha usuke uyobhekana nedlozi lakho. So now the process of you being aligned with your energies is not an easy one. It needs discipline. It needs you, because I am here. It's a very sacred, you know, an intimate thing. So how are you going to undergo and get to experience all these things when you are lazy, you just full of complaints? It's always, you will set yourself back. So congrats to you, because I always say lendlela lena is not for everyone. People will just lightly say, "Good, I need to go ngiyotwasa," but the reality is this is not for everyone, you know. So that is why you find people leave amaphetlo, run from amaphetlo and all these things, because you are not mentally prepared. Akusafani nakudala whereby, you know, things happen. You now are able to even, you know, decide, I'm ready, let me fix my finances at this particular time. But now I always say you need to mentally prepare yourself. This is a sacred thing osuke uyukuyo, because usuke uyowela uyowelisa namathonga. The whole concept of ukuliphuza palace uyovuma ukufa. So now if you are not doing the right things when you're supposed to do them, it's going to be a problem. That's why abantu bashone emaphehleni. That is why umuntu makayoliphuza palace, they die. It's because of people that are doing all these things, you know. And the sad part is that then by the time when you feel good, let me good thing happen your tasa, you go ekthwaseni because now you know, it needs you to take through step by step, because so it was a pace. I can always say that it was, you will never say today all of a sudden sell it now you get and all of that. Abantu abanjalo basuke basabele ubizo labo ngesikhathi baba nenhlanhla. So nine try samadlozi nazi ukuthi manje ephehlweni you are going to face 1, 2, 3 difficulties, you know. Idlozi liyaya kudlozication kuyathuleka, you know. It's not all the time, because this is spirit we are talking about, and umsebenzi wedlozi mningi. So when if ucela ukudlala and you only doing izinto for ukuthi you want to be seen or it's for people, then I honestly do not feel ukuthi, you know, people should choose ukuba izangoma. People choose to be izangoma and do not want to face the heat once they're in the kitchen. So these are things that you need to understand ukuthi kunzima edlozini. Kunzima edlozini akukho la uzoyakhona and bazokuthwasisa on a silver platter, or every morning mawuvuka uthola i-DM bathi idlozi lakho lithe. You work for ubukhosi bakho. Ubukhosi buyasetshenziswa. Asimane nje sithi gogo uzibanibani because kuze nje kanjena. You work for these things. So now because of people niyakhala, you sabawell, you end up finding yourselves in these situations bese nihambe nikhulumisa izangoma kabi. Kanti the problem is with you. You know, that is why you end up not even understanding yourself. You need to know good. Sometimes you know, it's not even sometimes. You need to understand good. Amadlozi have put all their hope, their power in you. So now they put their hope in you. But y'all don't get it. The concept is bigger than just you. Is not just about you. It's not just about your healing. You understand that? So if you are watching this video and you still have a road or if ufika uzithobe kuloyo muzi loyo uyithwasa, you're not a slay queen. Ufika uzithobe umamela imithetho yalapho kuzoze uqede mntana ethonga ubekeze. That's why bathi edlozini kebekezela. Y'all don't understand ukuthi masithi kebekezela sisuke sikhuluma ngani. Kunzima edlozini, ayikho into quick. And even if you under any spiritual initiation or under any process, bekezela mntana edlozi, kodwa in the end it will eventually make sense. Akuna instant mix lana. That does not happen because lobunzima osukundlula buya prepare for the outside life masowuphumile esikhupheni, so that you are able ukuthi ube ne backbone, uwazi indaba zakho, uwazi ukuthi empilweni kunzima, edlozini kunzima. Do not want to lie. That's what people don't understand. Edlozini is not ukufaka itawu and ukufaka amabhayi or ama-beats every day. It's very practical. Spirituality is practical. Amadlozi, it's a nigga process, So those are the things that are there. Life is spiritual. Embrace thandana amadlozi wenu. Respect yourself. I always say people who take their journey seriously are people that respect amadlozi and respect themselves. If you know idlozi lakho could make you sick, if you know idlozi lakho could do 1, 2, 3, usahleleleni, fix your life. Qala ulungise impilo yakho and do something about it. Uwenze something for yourself. And one other thing is that I've come across so many people that have said gogo ngithwasile parang nanduba, gogo this, gogo that. Yeah, I always say it always goes down to which faculty, because these are things you need to expect. But people, uphiwe isipho sakho for you to heal. That's why uthola ukuthi uthwasile and you struggling post iphehlo. Hey, wawukho umsebenzi, hey inini ngiyabheda, kanti idlozi likuphila umsebenzi. Kanti ubuye uhluphekelani mntana ethonga. Ulobukhosi bathi ubuthathile, ubukhosi bepoverty na, because it does not even matter. You need to start somewhere as a person. It does not matter even if usebenzela ku one room or emva kwendlu, uwenzile lapho umsamo wakho and usebenza abantu. It's none of anyone's business. As long as usebenzisa idlozi lakho likupha isingwa ungalali ungadlanga. That's what's important. Niyahamba nothatha nifake imintuntu emajardini and then you expect your life to boom after lapho nikhila indumba or umsamo ruse odrobhini. Guys, do you know what is isangoma? Do you know what idlozi is? Do you know what is spirituality? When you sit down and evaluate zonke lezinto lezi, you will look at izinto differently. You will not just think for yourself. You will not be selfish. You will always consider idlozi. Ayikho into ebuhlungu njengokufulathelwa idlozi noma idlozi likuthele ngenyembezi. That is painful. So ma uyothwasa uthwasela ukuthi thina you need to show off ubungoma bakho kithi. Uthwasele wena nabantu bakini, because ukuthwasa kwakho will not do anything for us. So it's one of those conversations that we do not have, because you find yourself as someone that is trying to assist someone. You find yourself under stress because umuntu akakhuli edlozini. It's not necessarily ukuthi akakhuli. They are holding themselves back. They came to you to learn, and icala likho edlozini lomuntu likugotshana. Yazi igotshana lihlupha kanjani. So no ukuthi mawuzehlisa uzithoba uzazi ukuthi ubani. You will not go emzini wabantu with that expectation. If ufika lapho kuloyo muzi loya and kuyathwasiswa kuyaloywa, uzoyenza lento leyo. If uzocomplainela ukuvuka ngo3, ucomplainela ukugeza ngamanzi abandayo, where are you going? Like ayikho process engekho lula. I don't want to lie. I always say, honestly, take the easy way out. Go to church, give your life to the white guy, and do something with yourself. Because honestly, yabona la indlela yokuthi welisa amadlozi masithi usuku yothatha ukufa kwakho, it's literally you go and die. It's like lobunzima usukundlula kubo usuke uyeka lo obumphila umpho, she dies, and then so uyavuka, you are resurrected as unkomo yahlaba. So now what is so hard about that? Spirituality is beautiful, it's practical. It's just sometimes by not allowing ourselves to grow, not allowing ourselves to learn, because usuku esikolweni ephehlweni namba ni compare izangoma, namba ni choose ukuthi no mina ngifuna ukuthwasa la ephehlweni. Leave your friends behind, leave everyone. That's why no ngabe uyothwasa bathi awubiki. It's because of such reasons, But do you Like, fix your lives, do what you need to do. If you are still out there and you're still procrastinating, I will decide to then trust me, you're still gonna suffer. I don't wanna lie to you. 80% of people, you even, some of you are working for peanuts because of this but in. I mean, I always say test your power. Why don't I go test it? Like, you know what? Eating a million twice. So I hope this video is gonna help someone and do something, you know, and you know, great power comes with, you know, humility and because you know where you come from, you know, you understand who you are, you know, and you just need to know that your entourage is thousands of ancestors, and when you speak, they listen. You know, all they want from you is to just sabela yobizo, get your purpose. Let's us give you the tools, you know, so that you can have a better life. But yeah, it's like your ancestors are asking a huge task of you. So if it is guiding you and letting you know, good say, do this, do it. Stop all the time procrastinating and saying, I was shown this, I was told to do this. Stop procrastinating and do something about yourself. Do something about your life. Test your power, because we all carry a power inside us. You know, your purpose is your power. That is your superpower. So I hope this video was informative, and learn you for the wrong reasons, for anything. You must know good. Imagine ukula, and now you get to your hospital and you're like, oh, the soup you guys are having here, let me go get sick at home. That's basically what most of y'all are doing. So I honestly have none so whatever respect for people who do that, because I honestly wish I could give you my spiritual eyes for you to see the pain, the disappointment you put under amadluzwenu. It's a shame. So anyway, and I will go and be careful of abantu balogo bahamba balogo bathi bakhulekile ukuguqula impande abomagade bahamba umuntu usukela wabaleka wayela wabaleka. Be careful of such people. They end up bad mouthing you. They end up, you know, bayenzani umuntu uhambela wayodla imitha lapho abuye sekadla imitha. Be careful. You know, be careful of such people. Not always everything is about money. Don't say, you know, sometimes say because not everything is for you. Asali, you want to help, but some people always have ulterior motive. I honestly do not know why. Sometimes amatwasa can be difficult. I was in the shade myself, but you know, angazi niyahlola nisematwaseni ngithwasile mina nomuntu waye consult asephehlweni waqini ahamba, because obviously bazokutshela ukuthi la ukhona ngiyabheda, because they want your money, they want to do this, you know. And it's a thing ukuthi healers never, you know, abakhulumani kahle, always bad man, and that is nonsense. It needs to change. But anyway, we can only do so much in a day, and you know, try to do so much for ourselves. But anyway, thank you so much for watching my video. I'll definitely see you soon. Stay tuned for more content. I am your Sangoma Mpabadimu Toyazani.